Welcome back to another Mobile Centrics Tips and Tricks. My name is Derek, and today I'm going to be going over a few different products that I've found to be very useful, and you might as well. Let's get into the video. The first product is something that's very simple. Not everyone needs it, but we all find ourselves at one point or another doing a full frame swap on an iPhone, and that's where having something like this comes in handy, where you're able to place each individual screw where it goes. We all know that the screws vary from location to location, and you can't mix them up because chances are if you do, you damage something. So having something like this to guide you throughout the repair so that you can not only disassemble but reassemble it, not lose any screws, and make sure all the screws that you do remove go back in the right spots, having something like this makes life that much easier. The second item are these little white sheets. Now they don't appear to be much. They look like just a really thin piece of almost like a foam material. They're really thin, about the thickness of a credit card. But this right here should be able to give you the confidence to do repairs. For example, working on the motherboard inside of an iPad without removing it from the frame. This has the ability to protect components from heat, similar to Captain Tape, but in a very different way. Being able to isolate things from that direct heat allows for the repairs to go much quicker because full teardowns aren't required to work on the motherboard. Now, it doesn't completely eliminate the need for heat sinks and Captain Tape, but it definitely plays a part and will make your life when micro soldering that much easier. And then the final product would be this organizer. I don't know if you're like me, but I tend to have a pile of stencils that accumulate on my desk, and having a place to store them vertically in an organized fashion has made a world of difference because I'm not hunting and sorting through all of the different stencils just to find the one that I need. So if you do micro soldering and you use stencils, which I'm sure you do, having a place to put them, I'm sure you can see why this is useful. Well, those are just some of the few tools that I wanted to share with you today. If there are any that you'd like to see in an upcoming video, leave them in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.